Toyota has unveiled a stunning vision for the future with its 2027 motorhome, a vehicle that looks less like a traditional camper and more like a luxurious mobile mansion. Combining Toyota's legendary reliability with futuristic technology, premium comfort, and sophisticated design, this concept promises to redefine life on the open road. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or dreaming of living in ultimate comfort wherever you travel, this remarkable motorhome is designed to make every journey unforgettable. The exterior immediately sets this motorhome apart from anything currently on the market. Instead of the bulky, box-shaped appearance seen on many RVs, Toyota has embraced a sleek aerodynamic profile with flowing body lines that improve efficiency, while creating a bold and elegant road presence. The front fascia features an illuminated grille flanked by razor-thin matrix LED headlights connected by a full-width LED light bar. Sculpted bumpers and aerodynamic air channels enhance both styling and performance while giving the motorhome a modern, premium appearance. Moving along the sides, the long wheelbase creates impressive proportions while maximizing interior space. Flush-mounted electronic door handles, gloss black trim, chrome accents, and large turbine-inspired alloy wheels reinforce the upscale design. Panoramic smart glass windows extend nearly the entire length of the cabin, automatically adjusting their tint depending on sunlight while providing exceptional privacy and breathtaking views. Toyota has also focused heavily on functionality. Hidden storage compartments are integrated throughout the lower body, offering generous room for bicycles, luggage, camping gear, and outdoor equipment. Integrated solar panels built into the roof continuously recharge the auxiliary battery system, allowing owners to enjoy extended off-grid adventures while reducing dependence on external power sources. Once parked, the real transformation begins. Dual electric slide-out sections extend smoothly from both sides, dramatically increasing interior living space. The roof expands into a luxurious sky lounge complete with premium seating, ambient LED lighting, wireless charging tables, and a retractable panoramic canopy. Whether enjoying sunrise over the mountains or relaxing beside a peaceful lake, the rooftop lounge creates a spectacular outdoor living area unlike anything found in conventional motorhomes. The rear design is equally impressive, featuring a full-width LED lighting signature, illuminated Toyota badging, and a power-operated cargo compartment that provides easy access to additional storage. Every detail reflects Toyota's commitment to combining practicality with sophisticated styling. Step inside, and the cabin feels more like an executive penthouse than a recreational vehicle. Every surface has been crafted using premium materials including soft leather upholstery, open-pore wood accents, brushed aluminum trim, and sustainable recycled fabrics. The minimalist dashboard and flowing interior architecture create an open, calming atmosphere that immediately feels luxurious. The spacious main lounge serves as the heart of the motorhome. Heated, ventilated, and massaging captain's chairs rotate toward a beautifully designed seating area featuring a luxurious modular sofa and a retractable transparent OLED entertainment display. When not in use, the screen disappears seamlessly into the cabinetry, maintaining the clean aesthetic. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, while electrochromic technology allows passengers to control transparency with a simple touch. The intelligent ambient lighting system automatically adjusts brightness and color temperature throughout the day, creating the perfect atmosphere whether you're entertaining guests, relaxing with family, or working remotely. Advanced sound insulation and acoustic glass ensure the cabin remains remarkably quiet even during long highway journeys. The kitchen rivals those found in luxury apartments. Premium quartz countertops, hidden storage cabinets, brushed aluminum finishes, and soft-close drawers provide both beauty and functionality. It includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, full-size smart refrigerator, dishwasher, espresso machine, wine cooler, deep sink, and advanced touch-sensitive controls. Every appliance has been integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry to preserve the elegant design. Adjacent to the kitchen is a stylish dining area with seating for 4 adults. The handcrafted table can fold away when additional living space is needed and also converts into an extra sleeping area, making the motorhome ideal for both families and long-distance travelers. The master bedroom occupies the rear section and delivers true hotel-level comfort. A king-size floating bed with a premium memory foam mattress sits beneath panoramic smart glass windows that instantly switch between transparent and opaque modes. Spacious wardrobes, integrated reading lights, wireless charging stations, hidden storage compartments, and individual climate controls complete the luxurious sleeping quarters. Next to the bedroom is a spa-inspired bathroom that continues the premium experience. Heated stone flooring, a rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, elegant fixtures, premium vanity surfaces, and intelligent water recycling technology provide outstanding comfort while maximizing efficiency during extended adventures away from traditional campsites. Performance is equally impressive. The 2027 Toyota Motorhome concept is expected to utilize Toyota's advanced plug-in hybrid technology, combining a turbocharged gasoline engine with powerful electric motors. Together, the system is projected to produce approximately 500 horsepower while delivering smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and excellent fuel efficiency for a vehicle of this size. An intelligent electronic all-wheel drive system continuously monitors road conditions and distributes power where needed most, ensuring confident handling on highways, mountain roads, gravel trails, and wet surfaces. Instant electric torque makes merging and overtaking effortless, while regenerative braking helps maximize energy efficiency. Ride comfort benefits from Toyota's adaptive air suspension system, which continuously adjusts ride height and damping according to changing road conditions. Whether cruising across smooth highways or navigating uneven terrain, passengers enjoy an exceptionally stable and comfortable experience with minimal cabin vibration. Technology plays a central role throughout the vehicle. Advanced safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, driver attention monitoring, parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large vehicle surprisingly easy. The driver's cockpit features a wide curved digital display integrating navigation, entertainment, energy management, vehicle diagnostics, and connectivity into one intuitive interface. An advanced AI voice assistant allows occupants to control climate settings, lighting, multimedia, navigation, seating, and smart home functions using natural voice commands. Connectivity is equally advanced with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, satellite internet capability, wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air software updates, cloud-based diagnostics, remote monitoring, and mobile app controls. Owners can check battery levels, activate climate control, monitor security systems, and even prepare the interior before arriving at their destination. As for pricing, the 2027 Toyota Motorhome is expected to compete in the premium luxury RV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of approximately $250,000 for the base model, while fully equipped flagship versions featuring expanded living modules, premium entertainment packages, bespoke interiors, and advanced autonomous driving technologies could approach $500,000. The 2027 Toyota Motorhome represents an exciting glimpse into the future of luxury travel. It combines elegant design, intelligent technology, exceptional comfort, and Toyota's reputation for quality into a vehicle that truly feels like a mobile mansion. For travelers seeking freedom without sacrificing luxury, this concept proves that the future of motorhome living has never looked more exciting. Thank you for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review of the amazing 2027 Toyota Motorhome, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more luxury motorhome tour, concept RVs, and the latest automotive innovations. Let us know in the comments where your first adventure would be in this incredible mobile mansion, and we'll see you in the next video.